The lady, the family that I met at that lighthouse right there, they told me that there is a trekking point somewhere here. So let's see if I can find that point. Oof. To see something or want to experience something that I have not done before. So this is the track right down here. I think you can take your bikes, but I will not take a chance. So let's go down. Ooh. If you see, it's only bushes and trees surrounding, and a small trail going down to the beach. Oh, this loafer. So I don't see anyone behind me. So I guess I'm the only one walking down this trail. I see leaves, trees shaking here and there, like there are some animals here. But I don't think I should be scared of animals. I should be scared of humans, because they are the most dangerous predators in the world. Welcome to Agonda Suicide Point. I guess if anyone wants to suicide with a view in heaven just facing in front of them, this is a nice point to jump off a cliff. Let's see if I can go down there, but seriously, it's pathetic, man. People treat this beautiful beach or this beautiful site so terribly, because see, if you see there is trash there, there is trash all the way down. Man, come on here, have some respect. Just look at this. I think there is this side is the beach line, because here if you see, I don't see any white waters, which generally happens when the sea hits the beach. So यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, ज़्यादा आवाज़ उधर से, तो अपने को उधर जाना है, because that guys also they came from that side. I guess there is a trek down there, so let's go. These shoes are going to be torn in pieces when I come up, so definitely this is not the place to go down. It is possible to go down, it is very much possible, but I have a phone, I have a shitty shoes, I don't want to go down. So let's go down this trail right here and see where it goes to, because our main concern, if you see, it's all glass everywhere, so watch your step when you come here. Please wear trekking shoes when you come here. Oh fridge, oh man, look at that. Oh wow, I'm so lucky. That's an eagle. Thank you to make an entry on my video. I think you can trek down there, but that's something I'll avoid. I'll go back up. I'll go the other side where the other guys are. Always follow the people. Someone has left or thrown breadcrumbs, that's how the other ants have followed him. So in scenarios like this, please follow the breadcrumbs. Don't try to be Alexander the Great, because he had an army of people to explore things for him. He was not wandering like me with a handy cam in one hand and water bottle in the other hand and exploring exploring America or some other country. So don't be Alexander, be smart, and just follow the directions, follow the breadcrumbs. But actually it was down there, and you seeing that hole? Oh great. Oh man, should I really go in there? Let's try it. Please, बिच्छू snakes, I'm sorry, मैं आपके टेरिटरी में आया हूँ, बट आई एम सॉरी, मैं सिर्फ यहाँ से पास कर रहा हूँ. आई विल नॉट डिस्ट्रॉय और टच एनी ऑफ योर बिलोंगिंग्स. मैं ना ही यहाँ पे कचरा मचाऊँगा. So please let me go. Please let me pass. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you. They did allow me to go. See, trash, trash, trash. On such a remote place, trash everywhere. Come on, guys. This is what I have to show in my videos. Seriously, man. I guess, yeah, this is the trailer, and I think I have to remove my shoes because they are started to tear from down. But let's see how long it goes. And why the hell I wore these shoes? I'm cursing myself every time. So by looking at this view from right here, I can still see trash. From that end to that end, I can only see bottles, shining beer bottles from right up here. You can actually see the trash down there. Though my camera is not the best in the world, it's not a GoPro, or it's just my phone that I'm recording it. Disturb the lovely time they both are having, which I'm sure they're having a nice time because of. Okay, man, come on, man. See, crap everywhere. Crap everywhere. So, but it's still safe to take a dip in the water because I guess the water. Oh, we even have bulbs here. Oh, come on, man. Throwing your bulbs. So we will leave them alone and we'll head. That's it. Now I think I can take out my shoes, but I'm scared to take out my shoes because I see broken glass, broken bottles everywhere, all the way in this. And see what I have here. And these are original shells which I am going to take home. So some souvenir. Okay. See here, see this? I can make a necklace out of it. So I'll definitely collect a lot when I'll go back. I wish I can find those big ones. But I guess here is the point where I'll give my camera a rest. Here is the point where I'll go and have my beer. The checklist that I had, well, oh, see, nice pebbles. Seeing this? Nice, beautiful pebbles. Rock formation. These are rolling in the sea and on the beaches for years and years and years. So if you see this place, this is all wet. So I guess जब high tide हो जाता है ये पूरा इधर आ जाता है. So I'll leave my shells here and I'll come and take it later, because right now we have to reach that point. And yes, the water is really slippery. I hope no one throws a bottle at me from up. So okay, first slip. So it's best to take out your shoes. It's best to take off our shoes, leave them here. I hope the high tide doesn't take it away, but I don't think so. Itna bhi bada tide aayega. So you can see how green the water is. That's how slippery it is. So please, if you're coming here, watch your freaking step. and just see the layers. मतलब पानी ने काट के, you can see it tells you how many years these rocks are here. Literally, see, you can see this is literally cut, a perfect cut down here. So we'll go up here. My shoes is right there, so we'll walk. So I guess ये high tide में पूरा ऊपर आ जाता है पानी. You seen that? The tide is, whoa, I almost slipped. The tide is so high, and if you see here, छोटे crabs are there, small tiny crabs. See, right one right there. They have a strong grip, no doubt. See this. This is good enough to chop or grate my feet up. ये इतने sharp हैं. पानी यहाँ पे टपक के, so the water from up somehow is dropping on them, और ये holes बन गए हैं. So you can imagine, मतलब I have forgot the word जहाँ पे पानी से they cut a stone. It's an old ancient way to cut a stone or cut a granite, is to just keep on dropping water on it. High density water, just forceful water. So you get these holes. Chalo, too much of educational video. Time for my beer. Woo! Ooh, this is the best spot I could. Okay, I really wanted to go right there, but somehow I landed right here. So I'll go right on that tip, take out my beer, say cheers to life, say cheers to everything, and just, oh man, I wish I can have a dip, but this is really dangerous. There is no one around here, so if I get drowned or anything, it's really scary. But I may take a dip right there. Oh wow, look at the rock formation here. So yes, let's go there. So you can imagine जब high tide होता होगा, this might be raising up till here, right till that cave right there. We will explore that cave later. So let's go. It seems that पानी इतना high आता है कि यहाँ तक पानी भर जाता है. See, you can see the water is already. Wow, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Wow, that's the biggest wave I've saw till now. It's all the way to the cave. I hope my shoes won't go down. Whoa! 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 Suicide point. Try jumping in this water, and I bet you will not come out alive. See how water has carved this rock right here. So let's see if I can get on that point and have my beer. Or you think this is the right spot to have the beer? I think I'll go there. Let's see how will I manage to go there. I guess here, from here. Yep. Whoa! Okay, here we are. And I'm the king of the world. Okay, time to take off our shirts. I cannot go in that water because वहाँ बहुत सारे crabs है और shells है, which you can see that white stuff. They are all mussels, and it's not mussels, but they are crabs and small seashells, which I get creeps. Though I eat crabs, but मेरे को creep आता है, तो it's better to get to a point where I can relax and enjoy my beer. I guess somewhere there where water can splash on me also. Like, yeah, exactly. Or even there. So let's go there. Okay, so yeah, this is a nice point where I can cheat. I like to cheat here. Hopefully crab will not bite me. If I lose this tripod, it's never coming back again, that's for sure. Yep. Can you see everything? Yes, you can. Go on the other rock and sit, and hopefully I don't die here, because this is the last place I want to fall into, and I'm super scared. There are a lot of crabs here. I'm really scared of them. Cheers! Last day in Goa. Sorry. I guess I can probably sit in that lagoon right there. Yeah, it's a small lagoon. I can sit in that water lagoon. I'll show you. Whoa! A bit this side, and just bend a little. Yep, right there. There are less of I generally pick those shells with a knife, because they are super sticked to the rock, so you cannot just remove it with your finger. Just hold this. Okay. Hold my beer. Or just keep it here, someplace where it will not drop in the water. So yes, it's my small lagoon that I have here. I'm going to sit here, because I'm really scared of that hole right there. I'm just scared of a snake or something coming out. But मेरे को लगता है water snakes, they don't bite. There is a big hole here. I don't know if I can show you that hole, but I don't want to stick my hand in that. I avoid sticking my hands in holes. I can sit there also, but this is fine. Surprisingly, no one is here. Tags this place and calls it a beach also. So there are more people coming down here. There is more awareness down here. There is more people cleaning this place down here. क्योंकि जितना ज़्यादा लोग आएंगे उसके हिसाब से there will be more people coming down here, like shacks, shops and other things that will open small. You have a place for a restaurant, you can open a restaurant here. So people will come down here. So if people are coming, opening their shops, they will clean it also. So that's the logic behind it. So I hope people come down and clean this place, because it's a beautiful, it's an amazing place. You can do a lot of with this place. एक आप ऊपर resort बना सकते हो. You can just make a steps and make it a private beach for your customers. There are many things you can do with this place. Water, board here, because I'm really craving to take a dip. Oh, ouch! Strike 3. Oh. Oh. Ow. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ow. Oh. Really hurts. But I'm okay. So let's go. I'll pause the video for some time. It's been a 50 minutes video. So going the other side. See you guys there. So as I said, I will, while going back or while coming here, I said I'll check out this cave. Those are the big waves coming from there. I don't want to take a chance, because अगर वो गलती से wave, यहाँ पे तो dry है, I don't think so यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर तक wave आएंगे, but the wave are super strong. The current is super strong. You see that? See, really, पानी यहाँ तक आ रहा है. See, that's a big one. That's another big one right there. That was a really big one. So let's see if I can somehow go down this cave and check it out. Try to turn my flashlight on. Yep, it's on. Though you don't need a flashlight, but still. I can only imagine bats coming out of there and I'm becoming Batman. So let's see. Yes. Wow. Look at this. There are glasses here, so it seems it's, wow, it goes really down, really further, and I'm scared of going inside, because I can imagine bats and all staying here because it's dark, there is no water here, so I just don't want to take a chance to go inside and disturb anyone's sleep. So I'll just admire the beauty from out here. See that? Look at this. Yeah, I wish. Even there, if there was a treasure in, I would have thought of going right in there, but it's really scary because I can see lots of spiders, you know, hanging there, and I don't want to disturb the bats because they don't disturb me, so I'll not disturb them. So worth coming to this place. As I said, things that you plan and it doesn't work out, don't give up. You may find something much better. And this is what I found, this beach. There is no one here. There are only 3 people. There is a couple sitting there, and it's only, otherwise I don't see anyone around. It's a big beach. It's a rocky beach. ऐसा भी नहीं कि छोटा है, ये बटरफ्लाई बीच जैसा है. उल्टा वो बटरफ्लाई बीच इतना छोटा था, उतने सारे लोग थे उधर. But this is a huge, a big beach. It goes up till there, it goes up till there, but there is no one here. only lots of crabs and shells. So let's get back. We are already late. We have to go for shopping, so I'll take a dip in the ocean. Ow! And meet you guys where there is more population. So see ya. Meet you in some time. So I made it to a swimming spot. So just leave my tripod here. Wave a lot. It's a rocky beach. Has no sand, only stones. Only stones. Big wave. That's a big one. Come over. I'm really terrified कि कुछ मेरे पैरों में क्रॉल कर रहा है because there are many crabs here. और मेरे को क्रैब डिनर नहीं करना है. So let's go.